Now let us see about Shakespeare's plays. Shakespeare's plays portray recognizable people in situations that we can all relate to, including love, marriage, death, mourning, guilt, the need to make difficult choices, separation, reunion, and reconciliation. They do so with great humanity, tolerance, and wisdom. They help us to understand what it is to be human and to cope with the problems of being so. As we see Shakespeare's plays, Oswald the Dancewell, Antony and Cleopatra, As You Like It, The Comedy of Errors, Coriolanus, Cymbeline, Hamlet, Henry IV Part 1, Henry IV Part 2, Henry V, Henry VI Part 1, Henry VI Part 2, Henry VI Part 3, Henry VIII, Julius Caesar, King John, King Lear, Love Labour's Lost, Macbeth, Measure for Measure, The Merchant of Venice, Merry Wives of Windsor, A Midsummer Night's Dream, Machado About Nothing, Othello, The Moor of Venice, Pericles, Prince of Tyre, Richard II, Richard III, Romeo and Juliet, Taming of the Shrew, The Tempest, Timon of Athens, Titus Andronicus, Troilus and Cressida, Twelfth Night, Two Gentlemen of Verona, and The Winter's Tale. Because Shakespeare's plays are written to be acted, they are constantly fresh and can be adapted to the place and time they are performed. Their language is wonderfully expressive and powerful, and although it may sometimes seem hard to understand in reading, actors can bring it to vivid life for us. The plays provide actors with some of the most challenging and rewarding roles ever written. They are both entertaining and moving. In the first folio of 1623, the earliest edition of Shakespeare's collected plays, they are divided into comedies, histories, and tragedies. Over time, these have been further divided into romances, which include The Tempest, The Winter's Tale, Cymbeline, and Pericles. The term problem plays has been used to include plays as apparently devised as Measure for Measure, Hamlet, Oswald that Ends Well, and Troilus and Cressida. In his history plays, Shakespeare sometimes had the same character appear over and over. For example, the character Bardolph appears in the most plays of any characters, including Henry IV Part 1, Henry IV Part 2, and Henry V, and the Merry Wives of Windsor. Thank you.